Welcome. If you're wondering how to let a Facebook app on your PC access your microphone, you're in the right place. This quick guide walks you through the latest steps so you can chat, record, or use voice features without a hitch. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and sign in with your account. You'll land on your feed where you can see friends' posts, groups, and pages. Look toward the top of the page and locate a menu with three dots. This is your access point for app settings. Click on those three dots to reveal a compact options menu. From here, select App Info. This opens a dedicated area that controls how the app interacts with your device. You'll see various settings designed to tailor your experience and protect your privacy. Within App Info, open Settings. This is where you'll find permission controls that determine what the app can access on your PC. Scroll to the section labeled Permissions. Here you'll find a list of capabilities the app might request, including microphone access. Next, choose More Settings Permissions. This expands your options beyond the basic toggles, giving you granular control over each feature. You're focusing on microphone access, so locate microphone in this expanded list. To enable microphone access for the Facebook app, look for the option next to microphone and set it to Ask. This means the app will prompt you whenever it wants to use the mic, instead of grabbing audio without your knowledge. If you prefer the app to have immediate access, you could switch it to Allow, but using Ask gives you a clear choice each time. With these steps complete, you're ready to use microphone-enabled features in Facebook on your PC. When you attempt to use a microphone-dependent function like voice comments, audio messages, or live audio, Facebook will prompt you to permit or deny access in that moment. Choose thoughtfully, and your device stays secure while you enjoy smoother interactions. If you run into a prompt that doesn't appear, double check that you're in the right app info section and that your browser or Facebook desktop app is up to date. Sometimes a quick restart of the app helps the new permission take effect, and if you ever want to revoke access, simply revisit these settings and switch microphone back to block or deny. That's all there is to it. You now have clear control over when and how Facebook can use your PC's microphone, making your experiences safer and more convenient.